Rock 101 is really a developmental program. You don't bring your kid to School of Rock because they can play. You bring your kid to School of Rock so they can learn to play. They can be an absolute beginner. Sometimes they don't even know what instrument they want to play when they first come to us. And you know what? We find the best match for them. They learn how to interact with the different musicians. How does a guitar player interact with the bass player and the drummer and the singer? Rock 101 includes a weekly one-on-one lesson.
You learn about groove, you learn about playing with other people at the same time, and in that sense it's much different than traditional lessons. Ultimately, the Rock 101 program is a really good opportunity to begin to get a feel for what it is to be a musician.
The rehearsal environment is geared towards beginners, and they learn the fundamentals of being in a band. The whole point of all of our programs at School of Rock is to move them through the system, develop them as musicians to move on to the next level. That's the first step on the road to becoming a real musician.